there, and welcome to the Making Him Known 30-Day Deep Dive into John 1. I'm so glad you're here. Over the next 30 days, I'll be your guide to walk through one of the most theologically rich chapters in the entire Bible, John 1. This isn't just a light devotional or a quick reading plan. It's more than that. It's an invitation to go deeper, to slow down, to reflect, and really engage with the text verse by verse. Each day, a new lesson will unlock here in the course. Some days may take you just 10 to 15 minutes, but others are going to invite you to stay longer, to mark the text, to trace a theme, to look up a word, or just sit with the truth that needs time to sink in. This is your invitation to go as deep as you want to go. And we're going to give you the tools to do just that. You'll learn how to use the Deep Bible Study method. Deep means something. D, dive in. That's our prayer and preparation phase. E, explore the text with marking tools and verse maps. E, explain the text with interpretation and word studies. And finally, P, put it into practice with personal reflection and application. You're going to receive things like verse maps, memorization maps, keyword marking symbols, everything you need to do this study. And you're not going to be alone. I'm part of the Making Him Known ministry team, along with my good friends Colette and Tina. You're going to see them active in our community, answering questions, offering encouragement, and walking with you through the study. So if you ever feel stuck, if you have a question, or just want to share what God's showing you, please reach out. We're here to help. This isn't about perfection. It's about presence. Just showing up, opening the Word, and letting the Spirit lead you. Are you ready to dive in? Let's make Him known together. Thanks so much for watching. If you're ready to go deeper into John 1, we'd love to have you join the full 30-day deep dive. Just click the link below to get started, and don't forget to subscribe for more Bible study tools and videos.